How to replace the glass window on a Vaniman Sandblaster. When it's time to replace the glass window on your Sandblaster, just follow these simple steps. Locate the screws on the bracket at the top. Loosen the screws. Don't remove the screws. That will allow the bracket to separate, which is not needed if you're simply replacing the glass. Loosen the screws. And slide the old glass window out. Then, slide the new glass window into place. Make sure your new window is lined up properly. Then tighten the screws. And that's it. And of course, don't forget to protect your new window with the Static Cling Window Protector. See the link to our video with instructions on the wet application method. If you have any questions, call Vaniman at 760-723-1498 or email us at service@vaniman.com.